I'll just show you this, and it's full of everything and anything. So this is odd, but today we are going to fill this cabinet by IKEA. If you missed that, it's somewhere in my live streams, with all of, maybe most of my skincare. I've got quite the collection right here. So, but wait, that's not it. There's more. So I am compulsive, and I decided to at least organize this by like vitamin E, what am I saying? Vitamin C, and then on to cleansers. Still not it, because I still have all of this and this that I use pretty regularly. That's why it's underneath the cabinet. So I'm gonna get this onto there. So if you wanna see all this decluttering, skincare, and goodies, what I have, then just stay tuned. Okay, guys? And like, comment, and subscribe. So I'll probably just fast forward, listen to some music, try to keep it under 10 minutes, and make sure it's very calming. Probably won't be 10 minutes, but whatever. So, here we go. Okay, so that was what was in the thing. I feel like I still don't even have space. I tried to put toners. These are overnight, AHA, BHA type of things. I got sunscreen here, which I know I have more. Vitamin C stuff, eye serums, more serums and cleansers. Tatcha is like on its own, right? So I do have more. Let me see where I go. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna speed this up. I still have a whole bunch of stuff, but I'm not sure if it's skincare or hair stuff. So, what do you think? Should I organize it more? Like, I see all the vitamin C, the serums, night repair, moisturizer, toners, scrubs, just a lot of stuff. But most of these are sample sizes, so they're just gonna go by really, really fast. But I like to see it so I can use it. I don't know what you guys think. I also feel like I should put like a shelf over by the sink so I know like what's there. You guys didn't even see, but that's makeup setting spray, so it can stay there. Until next time, guys, I hope you like this video. It's just a sample of decluttering, organizing, getting it done. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.